Good morning, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Brooks Harris, and I'm just stopping in to give a quick mini lesson on the text structure, compare and contrast. Let's begin. As you can see, there are 5 different text structures that we've been learning about this year. One is the descriptive, which describes a topic, idea, person, or thing by giving specific information about it. It discusses what things look like, what things sound like, what things taste like, feels like, smells like. Some of the clue words for the descriptive text structure would be in addition, for example, specifically, or in particular. Another text structure that we've discussed this week, boys and girls, is compare and contrast. And that's actually the focus of today's mini lesson, compare and contrast. When you compare and contrast, what you're doing is you're showing how 2 or more things are alike and how they are different. Many times we use the Venn diagram, which would be the 2 circles adjoining each other, to show or give a visual representation of comparing and contrasting, telling how things are alike and telling how they are different. Clue words for using this text structure would be different, unlike or alike, similar, however, or both. Let's continue on. Our learning intentions for today, we're going to be able to describe the ways the author organizes the text using compare and contrast in particular. And we will be able to identify keywords that show the text structure. And we can use text features in order to describe the text structure. And we will also be able to explain how the text structure will help you to better understand the text. When you're comparing 2 texts, you tell how the texts are alike and how they are different. When you, on the opposite end, contrast. Comparing, you are telling how they are alike. When you are contrasting the text, you would be describing how they are different, meaning how they are not alike. You can ask questions to compare and contrast 2 different texts about the same topic. Questions like, what is the same about the pictures? What is different about the pictures? In what ways are the words the same? In what ways might the words differ or be different? You can tell when you're comparing text or within a text, an author showing you that they're about to use this text structure. Comparison words would be both, similarly, also, and same. On the other hand, contrasting words would be but, however, yet, instead, unlike. When you compare and contrast text about the same topic, you learn more about the topic. For example, if you're going in to do research about recycling, you'll learn more about recycling by reading more than one article about that same topic. And when you do that, you'll be able to compare and contrast different ideas about that topic. You also notice different ways that different authors 2 or 3 authors can describe or talk about or discuss the same topic. Let's keep moving. Here within iReady, we have our lesson 20, and it is comparing and contrasting two texts. Comparing and contrasting the most important points in two texts on the same topic will help you to learn more about that topic. When you compare texts, you begin to tell how they are alike, how they are similar, how they are the same. And when you contrast texts, you tell how they are different, how they are unlike, how they are not the same. Now, here I would like for you to look at these two posters. How are they alike? And how are they different? Take a few moments. Here you have poster 1. And in poster 1, they are taking care of planet Earth. And it appears that they are planting a tree. Then you have poster 2. Here you have take care of planet Earth and the animals will thank you. Right offhand, it appears that I can see a couple of things that make the posters similar and a few things that make them different. So I have definitely enough things here within both posters to make a comparison in telling how they are alike and to make a contrast and telling how they are different. Look again at the posters and use the Venn diagram to compare and contrast important points in each poster. Now in our Venn diagram, you have pretty much 3 spots. On the outer spot, we're going to use poster 1, and that's how we're going to contrast. We're going to tell how it is different than poster 2. In the center of the Venn diagram, we will be actually comparing the posters and telling and showing how they are alike. So, animals in a forest, okay? Looking at poster 2, I would say that belongs on a contrasting side. You only see the animals in poster 2. Planting a tree, I would say that belongs with the contrasting side of poster 1. It is different than poster 2 because they're only planting the tree in poster 1. Take care of planet Earth. That is something, however, that is expressed in both posters. Take care of planet Earth. So I'm going to put that there, and I think I'm going to change the color. Here we go. Here we go. To show that both posters are alike in that they're showing how to take care of planet Earth. People should plant a tree. I think that will be relative to poster 1 because there we see people are actually planting a tree. See if I can get these colors to change. Okay, it's not doing it for me. Okay, it's not doing it for me. All right, people should think about animals. I think that that is a fact that is expressed in poster 2. So here we have how these two posters are alike and how they are different. Now, I would like for you to go into your class dojo and tell me, what did you learn about the topic of taking care of planet Earth from comparing and contrasting the posters? Use the academic talk words of compare, contrast, and important points in order to provide your answer. Thank you again, and thanks for stopping by.